This is the fee collection screen.
Okay.
Here, this prepay button is checkbox is there.
Okay.
Prepay means in 18-19 student has some balance.
Mm.
In 1920 he was current year studying. If you want to pay in 18-19 balance, then we can check this prepay check.
I do have one doubt. If the school is taking the product this academic year, okay,
Yeah.
they are having record in 2017-18. They are having some dues in the record. Okay, can we update right now after purchasing the product?
Yes. In admission, we have previous balance one column is there.
Okay.
Here previous balance is there.
Okay.
Means if that student has any previous year balance, then we can
Okay.
enter.
Okay. Thank
This will come into fee collection.
you. Okay.
Here if you check this checkbox, you need to select which academic year.
Okay.
Currently we have 18-19 is current year.
Okay.
Other than the current year, it will come. Other than the current years, it will come. Okay. Here we need to select school fee, admission fee to add there. Okay. Now I am selecting school fee.
Okay.
And need to here also we can search with student name, admission number, father name or mobile number. These 4 options we have available. First we are taking student name. I am into A. Search who are having A with names Uday, Ram, Monk. These are A. A letter is there in their names.
Yeah.
That all will come. Otherwise, you will select with particular name.
Okay.
Okay?
Mm.
Then that will come. Now, you need to check for which student we are paying fee. We need to check the check.
Okay.
Now I am doing this. Nursery class.
Mm.
Already all terms paid. Okay. Here, nursery, 7th class.
Okay.
7th class A section, mobile number. Here we have student details.
Okay.
If we check here also, all the details will come. If photo we uploaded, then photo also will come here.
Oh, okay.
Here we can see previous balance is not there.
Mm.
Okay. If I update, Sairam 7th class A section. I am updating it with the previous balance.
Okay.
3000 I am giving. 3000 balance is there
Mm.
for that student. Update. Now, if once I am check 3000.
Okay.
Before it was 0.
Zero. Right
Now I updated with the 3000 previous balance.
Okay.
Okay. If I try to pay current year fees, it will ask, please clear previous balance. Okay. Before paying current year fees, we need to pay previous year fee completely. Then only it will accept for current year.
Okay.
Now, here you can check previous payment.
Mm. Okay.
Okay. How much paid amount I will do? 2000 I am paying.
Mm.
Balance 1000. Continue. Yes. Receipts also generated.
These receipts can be saved as PDF format,
Yes.
right? If we are not going to give print.
We can say.
Here we can give print. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Which printer we should use for printing?
You can use any printer, and we will at the time of installation we will go and we will set up with the marker. If they print, they will put that setup, and in the A4 they will cut it as A4. They will
A6
take
size.
अच्छा A6
A6 size. They will cut it as 100 or 200. If they are printing, they will move that one and they will put.
okay
They want to print A4. Any printer it will work.
okay అంటే కొన్నిటికి థర్మల్ ప్రింటర్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా సార్ చెప్పారు నాకు చాలా ఇంత ఇంత చిన్నగా వస్తుంది బిగ్ సూపర్ మార్కెట్స్ లాగా వస్తుంది అని చెప్పారు సో ఏమన్నా థర్మల్ ప్రింటర్స్ కావాలన్నట్టుగా ఎగ్జామ్వి ఉంటాయి కదా సో అట్లా అనుకున్నాం
Already using tools.
ఓకే
Quick printers.
Here we have paid 2,000. 1,000 rupees balance is there. Previous payment. Now I am being completely 1,000 rupees.
yes
Balance amount something. Continue.
yeah
Click yes. Then receipt will be generated. Here two receipts. One for school copy and one for parent copy.
okay
Side. Now it was cleared.
Yes.
0 it's cleared.
yes
Now we need to select for which term we are paying. Term 1, term 2, term 3. 6 terms are there. For which term we are going to pay, that we need to select. Term 1 I am selecting. Then fetch.
okay
2,500 is the fee amount. Okay? No balances are there, no concession is there, no any previous excess, all are zeros.
okay
Now I am paying 1,500 amount.
okay
Here we have custom receipt option.
okay
Means receipt number we can enter or auto generate, both will be there.
okay
If we check this checkbox, we need to enter. Otherwise, previously it will generate it automatically.
okay
Okay. Balance 1,000 I am. You can't pay. Here you can see student name, sign off, fee amount 2,500, transaction amount 1,500. We are paying 1,500.
yes
Balance amount is 1,000 rupees. Continue. Yes. In receipt number, whatever we have given, that's good. REC1 I have given. Previously all are in blue color, means not paid.
yes ma'am
Now it's came in red color. Here you can see 2,500 is the net amount to pay. Paid amount 1,500. Balance amount is 1,000 rupees.
yes
Receipt number. What is the previous receipt number? That will come. And receiver. Paid date. Here status is partially paid. Now I am clearing the 1,000 rupees balance.
okay
Continue. It came into green color. Means it's completely
Complete.
paid. Okay. If once again we will try, it won't accept.
okay
Okay. Once term was completely paid, it will be in redundant.
okay
Again I am checking. Now we can pay all terms at a time also possible. Okay. Total. We can check this checkbox. Then all terms at a time will calculate.
okay
Or 2 terms 3 times.
ఒకసారి
that.
Can you show me how to proceed with the checks? Check. Payment. Here. If the parent is paying the fees, term fees
Check.
by check,
Okay.
what is the process? Not DD check.
Okay.
Just for a minute only. How the windows will appears. I don't need. I do.
Here
I
we need to give check numbers.
want check number, bank name.
Bank.
That's it. Okay.
DD also.
Okay.
If cash means it's one.
Mm.
2,500 is there. Now I am paying 3,000. I am giving 500 rupees excess amount.
Yes.
500 excess I am paying. Now once again, if you check same student, here you can see 2,500 is the net amount, paid amount 2,500, and remaining 500 coming to excess amount. If you check next term, 500 excess previous
Yes.
excess. For 2,500, now the student need to pay only 2,000 rupees. 500 previously paid excess amount.
Yes, we are having.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we can pay one term, we have 2 times or 3 times or 4 times. Any number of times we can pay single term.
Okay.
Okay. For 3,000 we can pay 500, 500, 500 like that also we can pay.
Okay.
For 3,000 we can pay 2,000 or 2,500 and remaining 500 balance. Like that also we can pay.
Okay.
All terms at a time also we can pay.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Now if you check this above checkbox, all terms will select at a time. And then total 7,500. 2,100. Pay. Count.
By this program, is it possible to take the attendance of teachers?
Teacher attendance. For teachers, presently.
And actually, we are having staff details also.
Mm.
So by that staff details, why don't we take attendance?
Staff attendance also there.
Yeah.
We'll tell you.
Okay.
But to avoid that one, we are going with HRMS and thumb.
Okay.
Manually, why we need to do? We have the facilities there. I will show you.
Okay.
Admission fee. Admission fees for newly joined only admission fees will come.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After promotion, after promoting from 1 year to next year, admission fee not come.
Yes, ma'am.
Here photo, okay.
Yes.
We have 2,000 admission fees we have.
Okay.
Admission fees also same.
Okay.
We can pay multiple times. Basically, student in schools will pay only one time.
సార్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఇక్కడ మనం ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ట్యూషన్ ఫీజు కానీ అడ్మిషన్ ఫీజులో కానీ డిస్కౌంట్ ఇచ్చామనుకోండి
Next level.
అంటే బై హోమ్ ద డిస్కౌంట్ వాస్ గివెన్ అని ఏమైనా కాల్ ఉందా?
That is we have two concepts. One is waiver and one is concession.
ఓకే.
Next, once payment is done, she is going to explain that concept.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే.
Continue. Admission fee also clear.
ఓకే.
For admission fees, it is receipt number differently. Now we are going for fee concession. Okay, concession means if we give term amount is 2000 rupees, 6 terms are there. Now I am giving 500 rupees concession means it is applicable for all terms. 500 for first term, 500 for second term, 500 for third term, like that.
Okay.
For each and every term it is applicable.
Okay.
Fee waiver is there. Waiver means for single term only.
Okay.
If you want to give total waiver means the term total that student no need to pay.
Okay. That means we are having 6 terms to pay.
Yes.
Each term is having 1000 rupees. Okay. So if we say one term will be waiver, then the student has to pay only
Only
5.
5 terms.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
In schools, if total fee amount at a time they paid, some 2000 or 3000 they will give.
Yes, ma'am.
We can give that in waiver.
Okay. Mm.
Okay.
Got it.
Concession means for each and every term it was applicable.
Okay.
Can go for fee concession allotment first. In admission it is there concession allotment. We need to select for which term we are giving concession. School fee. We need to search same criteria. Student.
Okay.
$2000 is the term fees.
Okay.
How much we are giving concession? I am giving 700 rupees concession I am giving.
Okay.
Allot. We have facility to give concession in rupees or in percentage also.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Allot. Okay. Concession was allocated. And next here you can say 2000 is the term amount, 700 is the concession amount, 1300 student need to pay.
Okay. Mm.
Okay. Here if there is a chance to change the concession amount also.
For individual term or all terms?
For all terms it will apply. Concession means for entire.
For entire
Ah,
terms.
ah.
Okay.
Now I am changing to only 500 rupees.
Okay.
Continue. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to not give concession for first term, for first term all students need to pay total amount. From second term only concession want to applicable. At that time, here we have fee term details is there. Fee term details. Okay. In fee term details, for second term, for first term, here one checkbox is there, term fixed.
Okay.
If you check this checkbox, update. Okay. You can see. For first term, concession not applicable. From
Yes.
second term only it was applicable.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
In some schools, they want to pay for first term. All students want to pay full amount. From second term only we can give concession. This is concession.
Okay.
Total 4,500 rupees is the concession. When means for first term concession not applicable.
Yes, ma'am.
3,500.
Mm.
And click on pay. Continue. Yes. 3,500 paid.
Okay.
Okay. 2 terms into paid mode. This is fee concession. Next, fee waiver.
ఆటోమేటిక్గా జనరేట్ అవుతుందా మెసేజ్? We have received amount of 3,000.
Fee, at the time of fee payment,
It will automatically generate. Okay.
Previously I said now at the time of fee payment or through SMS settings.
Okay.
Both options available.
Is it possible to change the number after maybe somebody is changing the numbers, right?
Yeah, we can update.
Okay.
In edit mode, we can update the mobile number.
Okay.
Madhu, one student is there.
Okay.
Now we want to go for fee waiver.
Okay.
In fee we have fee waiver allotment is there. Okay. Need to select school fee for which term we are giving waiver. He is having 5 terms. Each term amount is 2,000 rupees. Now I want to give first 2 terms waiver. Fetch. Here we can give balance in waiver also. For 4,000 I will give only 3,000. Remaining 1,000 he need to pay.
Okay.
Okay. For single term also, for 1,000 rupees I can give 500 waiver. You need to pay 500.
Okay.
Based on the school management, they can give waiver.
Okay.
4,000 I am giving. So 4,000 I will give only 3,000 rupees.
Okay.
Here you need to give comments why we are giving waiver. Okay.
If you won't give a comment, then it will accept.
No, it will ask. Please give. Okay. And then click on allocate. Previously all are in not paid mode. Now 2,000 completely paid. In below only 1,000 rupees paid. 1,000 rupees is balance. Why means for 4,000 we have given only 3,000 waiver.
Yeah.
If we give 4,000 then it also in paid mode. Okay. This is fee waiver funds.
Okay.
If this term is having balance, now I am trying to pay next terms. Other than the balance term I am leaving, I am paying next terms. It will ask, please clear previous term first. Okay. Term 2 is having balance. I am paying term 3 and term 4 amount.
But it is not taking.
I not take. It won't take. First I need to pay term 2. Then only along with term 3 and term 4 I will select term 2. Then it will accept.
Okay.
Okay. 4,000, this 2, 2,000, 2,000, 4,000 amount. And previous balance is
1,000.
1,000 rupees. Total 5,000. No need to do calculations. All will come.
Yes.
Pay. Continue. This is 5,000 we have paid. Okay. Here for waiver you can see paid waiver. Me number. Here you can see paid waiver status also is there.
Okay.
Okay. This is waiver comes.
Okay.
Here cancellation also is there. Fee cancellation and receipt reprint, both options are there.
Okay.
Fee cancellation means wrongly we are paid. For instead of our students, we are paying for another student. And by confusion, they are taking same names are there means they will come.
Yes.
At that time, we have receipt cancellation option is there. Here we need to search student. Here Madhu. I am waiver also we can cancel, fee also we can cancel.
Okay.
Okay? But concession we can't.
Okay.
If we want to remove concession, we can remove, not cancel.
Okay.
You can see. For Noor Muhammad, I am selecting yes. What is the reason? Wrong payment. Wrong student. Entered by it's not mandatory.
Okay.
Okay. Before we can see school fee. Two terms completely paid. Okay. 2015. Now we are cancelling. Continue. Successfully cancelled. Now if we once again check fee collection. $2,000 cancelled. School fee. It's not. That's cancelled already. Once again you can say this 3,500 amount is there. Okay. Now we can cancel that 3,500 amount. Okay. Here you can see 500 waiver. 2,000, 1,500 paid.
Yes.
3,500. Now I am cancelling this. Select. Yes. Continue. Okay. 3,500 also cancelled. Now, if I want to remove concession also for this student, we can remove concession also. Admission, concession allotment. Here we need to select school fee and search with student credit.
Okay.
500 concession amount is there.
Okay.
Now in percentage I need to check with 0%.
Okay.
Before we come to here we need to select, we need to insert one concession with 0%.
Okay.
Okay, that we need to select allot. Okay. Now we can see concession amount became 0. Now you need to pay total amount. And receipt reprint means once again we want to print receipt, means student or management want to take receipt once again, then here we have receipt to reprint options. Madhu,
Okay.
select yes. Here we can check for which term we are taking the receipt. Click on generate. Same receipt will here one is parent copy and one is school copy.
Dashboard.
Okay.
Any doubts in fees, concession there?
No, sir, no.
What is the difference between the concession and waiver?
Concession means it is applicable for all the terms
Hmm.
simultaneously. Waiver means it is completely reducing. This is applicable for only particular term only. Waiver.
Okay. For example, if I want to make one term as fixed, is it possible?
Fix here possible by waiver.
Where you will do that? I don't want to give the concession for one term. I have 10 terms. I don't want to give the concession for one first term. I want to give the concession for the remaining terms.
Then you can go by concession, fee concession.
No.
Screen name is fee term details.
And checkbox is there.
These term fixed.
If you think that
Can you go and explain?
చెప్పాను
మళ్ళా ఒకసారి.
ఒకసారి చెప్పండి.
What is? You might confuse because one day it is not possible to get all the things.
here we have is term fixed checkbox. Already we had it there.
Yes. Yeah.
Here we have fine amount also. Okay. If you don't want to give concession for any particular term, there we can come here and we can
యాక్చువల్లీ లిటరలీ ఏంటంటే పొద్దున్న 4 o'clock లేచి రెడీ అయి వచ్చాను. సో రాత్రి 9 months బేబీ ఉంది, పండుకుంది కదా. పొద్దున్న 4 o'clock నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయాను. కొంచెం అప్సెట్ ఉన్నాను, బ్యాటరీ లో అనమాట. ఇప్పుడు అందుకోసం కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయలేకపోతున్నాను. ప్రాబ్లం.
Okay, overview of dashboard report you can give. Dashboard report and fees reports. Another 5 minutes we can close.
మళ్ళీ నేను మ్యాక్సిమం నెక్స్ట్ సండే రావడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాను. ఒకసారి వస్తాను.
Always like that.
యూనియస్ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తాను.
ఒకసారి this.
yes.
అక్కడ
Today's report means here you can see all the fee details. Okay. Next absentees list.
ఓకే.
Next any new joinees are there. That will come. New joinees means only section not allotted students. If one section allotted, he won't come under new join.
ఓకే.
Okay. Next late comers. Who are all the late comers? All details will come here.
ఓకే.
This is today's report.
ఓకే.
Next, here we have attendance report also is there. Attendance report means for third class 6 members are absentees.
ఓకే.
Who are all this? Okay. 2 members are late comers.
ఓకే.
Class wise and section wise. If B section also attendance is there, it will also come. Okay. Next.
Anything correction you need to show?
Then I report students.
The dashboard today's report.
Today's report is
Done
done.
now. And cash book.
This is wing transaction. Previously I said now any income or expense we need to enter here.
ఓకే.
Okay. Here first we need to select academic year.
ఓకే.
And next financial account and sub-financial account. These are issued in next version. Means through one account how much revenue generated. For they will account with tally.
ఓకే.
Okay, that is in next version. Presently we want to select only this financial and sub-financial accounts. Here I am giving expenditure. Under expenditure we have entered teacher's salary, purchase stationery, electricity bill I have given. I am giving teacher's salary. How much amount? 10,000 I am giving. Here we need to give salaries name. And then click on save. Okay, just saved. If income means we need to check this, and then select academic year, financial account and sub-financial account. We need to transfer certificate, funds from trust, bona fide certificate. These are all the data we have entered. Now I am selecting transfer certificate. If transfer certificate means for which academic year student was taken. Means in 2018-19 student study completed, but he was not taken. Now he came and he was asking for transfer certificate. Then at that time we need to use this. Okay, 2018-19 student name A. All the students will come. Okay. Okay. Roll number also will come automatically. If student is having any balance, if student want to take transfer certificate, he need to pay complete fees. Then only this will issue.
Yes.
Otherwise they won't issue. For this student we have cancelled all the payments. Okay. So the student is having balance amount. So issue only. Okay. Once we clear all the balance in the terms, school fees, admission fee, any terms are there, we need to clear all the terms.
After finishing the terms,
Then
TC
only
will be
this is
issued.
issued. This is financial transactions. Good. Now I can go for reports. Fee reports. Okay. Under fee reports, we are having this on all the reports. Town wise fee report.
Okay.
Next class wise. Next section wise. Fee due report. Breakup report means in detail for which term what is the amount paid. Okay. That is breakup report. Daily collection report means daily at the end of the day by seeing this report they can know how much total fee collected.
Okay.
Okay.
From all the
Daily
sources.
means today.
Today
Yeah.
from
All the
TCs,
class.
bona fides,
Yeah.
admissions, tuition fees,
All
everything,
will
transportation. Okay.
Next concession report.
Okay. How much,
How much
concession has
concession?
given for particular
For
name?
which term what is the concession amount
Oh, okay.
for which student.
Okay.
Next accounting register. Next previous balance. These are all the reports we have.
Okay.
Term fee report. If we select the standard wise report will come. I am selecting only 2018-19 academic year I have selected. So all the students who are paid today, all details will come.
Okay.
Okay. If I select standard, primary standard, then only standard wise will come. Okay. If I select class, he is third class. If I select fourth class, no data will come. One is for fourth class, no one is paid.
Okay.
Okay. For each and every report, PDF generation is there.
Okay.
Next is class fee report. Here also we can see class fees. Here I have selected primary.
Okay.
So only primary classes came. First class, second class, third, fourth, fifth. Okay. In first class, total into amount is 20,000 need to come.
Okay.
Only 6,500 came. Remaining due amount is 13,500.
Okay.
This is like class wise. Next section wise means first class A section. How much? 20,000. For third class A section. If B section, if any student is there and he paid any amount, then that also will come.
Okay.
Under D section, no students are there. Okay? And no amount paid. That's why it's not came.
Okay.
If I select high school, it will come. 10th class A and B.
Mm.
I means in 10th class only, in A section and B section, both sections students are there. Okay? In B section, total amount is 15,000. Zero amount paid. Total due is 15,000. Next, feed you report. This is, I am taking standard wise, high school standard.
Okay.
In high school standard, the student is need to pay these terms. Total amount, how much, and what is the paid amount, what is the due amount.
Okay.
If I select the class wise, okay, only class wise reports will come.
Okay.
Here also we have PDF generated.
Okay.
This is fee due report. Next, fee breakup report. Here you can see 6 terms are there. For 6 terms, this student not paid anything till now.
Okay.
Okay, this student has paid these 5 times.
Okay.
This student has paid only 3 times. Like that, how many students are paid? How many terms?
Okay.
Okay. This is also having PDF generation.
Okay.
All reports having PDF generation. This. Term 6 is not there. That's why it's not came. Only term 5 terms are there.
Okay.
Next, daily collection report. If you select daily collection report, automatically date will come. Start date. Current date will come. Okay? And then search. In 10th class, no student. It's paid. I am selecting standard. Okay? This is today collection. So I don't. If you want to select a particular term 1, term 2, term 3, then we can select.
Okay.
Okay? If you want a total, we don't need to select. This is concession report.
Here you will get one column actually, but that is not added. Background we are capturing who is given. In the one column you will get it who is given concession.
Okay.
Generally, concession and waiver we will not give to the teachers.
Okay.
We will give to the who is the responsible person, like principal or correspondent.
Okay.
We will give the access to them only. Even though if they want, we will add one column, and in the report also we will create another column.
Okay.
Accounting register. Accounting register means here you can see this is student name, this is father name, this is mother name. If any previous balance is there, that will come here. Here, amount, concession amount. What is the concession amount?
Okay.
If any concession is there, that will come here.
Okay.
Here, term 1 2000 rupees paid amount, receipt number, paid date.
Okay.
Okay, like that all details will come here. This is accounting register. In dashboard we have miscellaneous reports are there. High school, 7th class. Waiver details. Okay. For which term? School fees. For this student we have given 1300 and 2400 waiver. Okay. For this term we have given 2500 waiver and next term 500 waiver. Like that waiver amount also will come.
Okay, we can close because he is getting lot of calls.
No, sir.